Hello Sudoku friends, boys and girls. Today in additional on Monday, August the 2nd, 2021, we have the last puzzle, a binary puzzle, yes. And this one will be number 3186. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8x8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double one, here no, there no. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double O, here one, there one. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 4 ones we have in this row, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Then between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1, and we have finished this puzzle in 2 minutes. Wow! Very fast to solve this one, yes. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Monday. And we will meet again tomorrow on Tuesday. Until then, bye-bye for now.